Okay. God, dude, come on. This is like the play. This is like practice. We're just practicing right now. We are just practicing. The practice round.
Taking the shot. In a bad way.
Oh. All right. We're trying. Now we're trying. I'm trying. And now I'm trying.
Sorry, can't. Submit to me.
All right.
Clear the stage. Double tap.
Double knock.
Hitting my shots today.
What is going on?
Getting vision. In a bad way. Bullseye. Points for trying. Second hit got him. Well, the gun works. Clear the stage.
No, actually, I kind of popped off there at the end. At the end, kind of popped off. Oh.
Try not to stare.
One more apple icy water or spicy water.
This is gonna get rowdy.
Select your hunter.
Yeah, okay. We solo. Okay, we actually we won one round. We the problem, guys. I remember when I was playing with other people, we were winning all the time. This shit was easy. Big Booba is like it's literally IO, bro. You think IO fun gameplay? IO, excuse me. IO is literally the most boring hero. You can't convince me otherwise. There's like nothing to do on